Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 21. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Henceforth, you are going to have elected municipalities. The elections will be on the basis of adult franchise, which is being established everywhere in India now. It is rather difficult for people to make good use of their franchise when most of them are illiterate and inexperienced, but it is the call of the times and we cannot act in any other way. One man's rule is much easier. It works more expeditiously and efficiently if he is the right man. On the other hand, popular rule is very difficult. It cannot be speedy. Everyone's opinion has to be taken, and all sorts of influences, pulls, and pressures cause work to be done less efficiently than could otherwise be the case. The services who run the administration have to adjust themselves. Hyderabad's economy today is in a bad way. It has to be improved. The countryside needs hospitals, medicines, and equipment. It needs education as much as food. The masses will not know the difference that freedom makes, so their lives except through a better and easier fulfillment of these needs. If we do not spend crores on maintaining the kind of army that will ensure India's integrity, we would be defaulters. One has to keep in view what a neighbor does. Pakistan says it has one enemy in the world, India. As this is their openly declared opinion, we have to remain alert. I would rather wish that there were on fighting between India and Pakistan. Those who want war are insane. We have no such desire. We have to create conditions in both countries in which Hindus and Muslims can live happily together. Especially in Hyderabad, I want to say, let us bury the past. The clean thing is to purge our hearts of animosity now that we have broadly achieved what we wanted. It is cowardice to hit a fallen person. We should rather give him a helping hand and lift him up. The Muslims here are not foreigners. They are from among ourselves. Gandhiji always proclaimed that if we want true Swaraj, we should do away with untouchability. We should unite Hindus and Muslims. If we want to improve our economic condition, we should make our own clothes. Besides, we should have one national language. On these four pillars, Gandhiji tried to build Indian Swaraj to the end of his life. I was associated with him. Minutes later, a madman killed him. But his words live on in my mind. What did he want at that moment? He had wanted to go to Karachi to convenience the Muslim majority there that it was in their interest to keep the Hindus well, just as he had tried to convenience the Hindus here. He had worked for this day and night in the capital and the countryside because otherwise peace in the country was impossible. To Muslims in India, I appeal for a change of heart in the interest of amity. They should also tell Pakistan that fighting solves no problems. Instead of the fighting that has been going on for 2 or 3 years, let them convenience the Kashmiri Muslims. If they favor Pakistan, we are not the ones to keep them forcibly, but they want to remain with us. Ours is a secular state. It was not made secular for a few Kashmiri Muslims. There are 3 crores other Muslims, too in India, almost as many as there are in Pakistan. Each one of these should try to convenience their relations and friends of the futility of conflict. Let us end the era of conflict. Let them run their own affairs and leave us to run ours instead of pulling our legs. Only then can cordiality prevail. Let us settle the points at issue. There is enough water in the Indus and the Punjab rivers for both countries. Let us sit down and talk it over peacefully. We have recently concluded an agreement after 7 days of discussion. But the agreement will be deemed to have succeeded only if Hindu migrants return to Pakistan and Muslim migrants return to India. Otherwise, all talk of implementation of agreement will be merely empty words. In our secular state, we have tried to ensure that the Muslims enjoy all their rights as equal citizens. Any violation of this leads to reaction which is undesirable. We have trouble coping with such reaction. Pakistan met the same problem by just eliminating its communal question. They have evicted the minority. That kind of approach makes nonsense of the talk of amity. I am sure they will have to agree ultimately to let the Hindus return to their homes and restore their properties. The same will hold good for Muslims here. The Muslims of Hyderabad should live in full confidence and security. They are citizens of India with the same rights as other citizens. If we cannot guarantee this, we are unfit to rule. We have to banish discrimination of caste and creed from Hyderabad. Hindus and Muslims must unite and improve. Stop. आज के डिक्टेशन में कौन सा वर्ड आपको टफ लगा, एक वर्ड कोई कमेंट में लिखो.